Hi guys, welcome to another episode. In this video, we're going to show you how to spot the best reversal chart patterns in the market. These strategies work on Forex, stocks and cryptos, and they're designed for both beginners and advanced traders. So before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll stay updated whenever we upload a new video. Before we cover every reversal chart pattern, you have to know that there are two types: bearish and bullish reversal patterns. Bullish reversal patterns. These patterns signal a potential shift from a downtrend to an uptrend. They form after a price decline and typically conclude with a definitive move upward. Bullish patterns suggest that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. Examples include the double bottom and inverse head and shoulders, where prices form specific shapes indicating a weakening of downward momentum and a strengthening of upward forces. Bearish reversal patterns. Opposite to bullish patterns, bearish reversal patterns indicate a transition from an uptrend to a downtrend. These formations appear after a period of price increase and are completed by a decisive downward move. They suggest that selling pressure is overcoming buying pressure. Common forms include the double top and head and shoulders, where the price action creates peaks or highs followed by a failure to sustain upward momentum, leading to a downward breakout. Let's cover the first reversal chart pattern, which is the head and shoulders. The head and shoulders pattern is one of the most reliable reversal chart patterns used in technical analysis. It typically forms after an uptrend and signals a possible reversal to a downtrend. The pattern is characterized by three peaks. The middle peak is the highest and is flanked on either side by two lower peaks. The lows between these peaks form what is known as the neckline, which is crucial for confirming the pattern. This pattern is significant because it visually encapsulates the exhaustion of the prevailing trend, with buyers losing momentum after forming the second shoulder, leading to a potential shift in market control from buyers to sellers. Trading strategy, entry points, stop loss, and profit targets. Entry points. The traditional entry point for a head and shoulders pattern is upon a decisive and confirmed breakout below the neckline. Traders often wait for the price to close below this level to avoid false breakouts. Stop loss. Place the stop loss just above the right shoulder's peak. This helps you cut losses if the price starts to climb instead of dropping. Profit targets. The profit target can be estimated by measuring the vertical distance from the top of the head to the neckline. This distance is then projected downward from the point where the price breaks through the neckline. This target projection helps in capturing a significant move equal to the height of the formation, aligning risk and reward efficiently. The head and shoulders pattern, with its clear visual structure and significant implications for trend reversal, is a cornerstone in the toolkit of many traders, aiding in the strategic planning of entries and exits in the markets. Inverse head and shoulders. The inverse head and shoulders pattern is a bullish reversal pattern that typically forms after a downtrend, suggesting a potential shift to an uptrend. It is characterized by three troughs. The middle one is the deepest and each side has a shallower trough. These are connected by a peak known as the neckline. The pattern is confirmed when the price breaks above this neckline. Entry point. The traditional entry point is when the price action breaks above the neckline. This should ideally occur with a significant increase in volume, indicating strong buying pressure. Stop loss. To manage risk effectively, a stop loss can be placed just below the lowest point of the head, or at a level that suits the trader's risk tolerance, ensuring protection against a potential decline. Profit target. The profit target can be estimated by measuring the vertical distance from the head to the neckline and projecting this distance upwards from the point where the breakout occurs. Volume. Volume is a critical factor in confirming the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Typically, volume diminishes as the pattern develops and should increase significantly during the breakout above the neckline, providing additional confirmation that the reversal is likely to sustain. Double top. The double top is a reversal chart pattern that occurs after a strong uptrend, indicating potential reversal to a downtrend. It is characterized by two consecutive peaks of similar height, separated by a trough. The second peak fails to break above the first peak, suggesting a loss of momentum and impending reversal. The pattern is confirmed when the price falls below the support level, the lowest point of the trough between the two peaks. Entry point. The ideal entry for a short position is after the price breaks below the support level at the trough between the two peaks. This break should be on increased volume to confirm the bearish momentum. Stop loss. A stop loss should be placed just above the higher of the two peaks to protect against a false reversal and potential uptrend continuation. Profit target. Calculate the profit target by measuring the vertical distance between the peaks and the support level. Project this distance downward from the breakout point at the support level to estimate the downward move. Volume is a key indicator in confirming the double top pattern. Typically, volume is higher on the first peak than on the second, indicating diminishing buying pressure. A further increase in volume on the breakout below the support confirms the pattern's validity and the likely continuation of the downtrend. This approach to trading the double top pattern utilizes strategic entries and exits based on price movements and volume analysis to maximize the potential for profitable trades. Double bottom. The double bottom pattern occurs after a significant downtrend and signals a potential reversal to an uptrend. It features two consecutive troughs that are roughly equal in depth with a peak in between. The pattern is considered confirmed when the price breaks above the resistance level formed at the intermediate peak. Entry point. Enter a long position when the price breaks above the resistance level at the intermediate peak. This breakout should also be supported by an increase in volume, indicating strong buying pressure. Stop loss. Place a stop loss just below the lower of the two troughs to protect the trade against a failure of the pattern and a resumption of the downtrend. Profit target. The profit target is set by measuring the vertical distance from the resistance level to the bottom of the troughs and projecting this distance upward from the breakout point. Volume plays a crucial role in validating the double bottom pattern. Volume should decrease during the formation of the second trough, indicating waning selling pressure, and increase significantly during the breakout, confirming the change in market sentiment from bearish to bullish. Triple tops and triple bottoms. Triple tops. The triple top is a bearish reversal chart pattern that occurs after a strong uptrend, indicating a potential shift to a downtrend. It is less common but significant due to its strong signal of a change in market sentiment. The pattern is characterized by three consecutive peaks at approximately the same level, with each peak separated by a moderate decline. The failure of the price to push beyond these peaks on 3 occasions suggests that buying pressure is exhausting. Entry point. A conservative entry point is established once the price breaks below the support level formed by the lows between the peaks. This break should be confirmed with a closing price below this level to avoid false breakouts. Stop loss. To manage risk, a stop loss can be placed just above the highest peak within the pattern. This placement protects against unexpected reversals back into the uptrend. Profit target. The profit target can be calculated by measuring the vertical distance from the support level to the peaks and projecting this distance downward from the breakout point at the support level. Triple bottoms. The triple bottom is a bullish reversal pattern that forms after a downtrend, indicating a potential shift to an uptrend. Similar to the triple top but inverted, this pattern consists of 3 consecutive troughs at roughly the same level, separated by temporary rallies. The persistence of the support level across these troughs shows a strong base forming, suggesting that selling pressure is weakening. Entry point. The ideal entry point is when the price action breaks above the resistance level formed by the temporary rallies between the troughs. Confirm this breakout with a closing price above the resistance for more reliability. Stop loss. Place a stop loss just below the lowest trough of the pattern to limit potential downside if the expected bullish reversal fails to materialize. Profit target. Measure the vertical distance from the resistance level to the bottom of the troughs and project this distance upward from the breakout point at the resistance level to estimate the upward move. Volume considerations. Watch for decreasing volume during the formation of the troughs and a significant increase in volume during the breakout through the resistance. This change in volume confirms growing bullish sentiment and supports the validity of the breakout. I hope you enjoyed this video. To show your support, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get updates when we release a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.